Nandi County for hosting us as their guest. We've been here since morning. Pretty much it's been good. The challenges are tough.
I'm noticing a very big difference whereby right now we're getting it a little bit more tough than last year. And the turn-up is also becoming big, whereby our main thing is actually conservation. We are coming together as a 4x4 group because of main thing is conservation. We want to plant trees.
This is a good project. It's good for our inter-county relationships, and I would want this to be encouraged with the Ministry of Sports so that we embrace inter-county brotherhood.